No intro BS, let's get right into the video. First, let's open CapCut, then let's go to New Project. So let me import one video onto the timeline and show you all the different kinds of masks in CapCut. So let me import this particular video. After importing your video, if you want to access the mask feature and use it, all you need to do is to select your video. Then on the toolbar, scroll through and look for mask. And this is the masking tool right here. So let's tap on it. And these are all the different kinds of masks that you can use in CapCut Mobile. And in all, CapCut has 6 masks that you can use to create amazing effects. And I'm going to explain every mask one after the other and show you what you can create using that particular mask. So let's start from the first one, which is the horizontal mask. And this is the horizontal mask. So let's tap on the horizontal mask and see what will happen on our screen. So as you can see, after tapping on the horizontal mask, our screen has been split into 2 by this horizontal line here. And also with this, you can rotate it to any degrees that you want. So just use your thumbs to rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can also find this small icon here, which is the feathering tool. So you can just tap and drag it outward. So it will feather the edges and blend in with any clip that you are using. So this horizontal mask can be used to create effects like split screen effects and clone effect. So let's move to the next mask, which is the mirror mask. So let's tap on the mirror mask and see what the mirror mask does on our screen. So as you can see with the mirror mask, you can see that there is 2 different sides which are very dark. And this is how the mirror mask looks like. And also, for the mirror mask, you can also rotate it to any degree that you want. And also you can add some feathering to it depending on what you want, using the feathering tool. So you can use this particular mirror mask to create effects like the split screen effect. Let's move to the next mask, which is the circle mask. So let's tap on the circle mask and see what will happen to our screen. So tap on it, and as you can see the circle mask, create a circular cutout of our video. And you can find 3 different icons on our circle mask, and with these different icons, you can use it to adjust your circle mask, just like this. And it also have the feathering tool, which I explained earlier, to add some feathering to the edges, to blend the edges of the mask with the video. So this is the circle mask. And this circle mask can be used to create effects, like the spotlight effect, and also a rounded webcam effect. So the next masking tool is the rectangle mask. So the rectangular mask creates a rectangle cutout on our screen, which can be adjusted to how you want it. And the rectangle mask has 4 icons, and this 2 icons, which are on the top and on the right side of the mask, can be used to open up your mask. And also, as you can see, there is a feathering icon here to blend the edges. And also, the new icon on the rectangular mask right here creates a rounded corners on our rectangle mask. So just click, hold, and drag. And a rounded corner has been created on our mask. So this particular rectangular mask can be used to create effects, like the rounded corners. And you can also use it to create effects, like the picture in picture. So let's move to the next mask on our list. And the last 2 marks on our list is the heart marks and the star mark. So the heart mask create a heart cutout on our screen, and the star mask also creates a star shape on our video. So I'm going to show you how you can use all these masks to create amazing effects for your videos. So if you've watched to this point, I want you to kindly hit the subscribe button and also give us a like and leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's get into the amazing effects you can create using this type of mask. So the first effect we are going to create is how you can create a split screen using the horizontal mask. First, let's start a new project. Then import 2 videos onto the timeline. So select the videos you want and tap on Add to add them onto the timeline. After adding your footages to the timeline, what you need to do is to just select your first clip, then move it a little bit to the left, just like this. Then you go to the second clip, then I will make it as an overlay. So you go to overlay. So this is overlay, so you tap on it. Then you position it right under your first clip. Then when you're done, you select your overlay clip. Then you move it a bit to the right. Then what you need to do is to go to mask. So you go to mask, and for this tutorial, you are going to use the horizontal mask. So you select the horizontal mask, then rotate it just like the way I'm doing mine. So you can rotate it 90 degrees. Then position it very well between your 2 videos. Then after that, you can adjust your footages a bit, just the way that you want them to be, just like this. And this is how you can create this amazing split screen effect using the horizontal mask. So let's move to the second tutorial. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create shiny icons, just like this, using the mask. So let's delete this footages from our projects. Then go to Add Overlay, or you can come and tap on the plus icon here. Then it will open our gallery. So now add your icon to your timeline. I have this Premiere Pro icon that I'll be using for this tutorial. So let's add it to the timeline. And now what you need to do is to resize it a little bit. So you can also change the aspect ratio to any aspect ratio that you want, but I will leave it just like this. And what you need to do next is to import a white background. So tap on the plus icon again, then go to Library. So look for a white background, and when you are done, import it to the timeline. And also, we have to make the white background as an overlay. So you can just go to Overlay, and this is Overlay, so let's tap on it. Then increase the size of the white background to cover your icon. Then when you are done, you go to Mask, and we are going to use the mirror mask for this particular tutorial, so select Mirror Mask, then rotate your mask diagonally, just like this. And also, we are going to add some feathering to our mask. So let's blend in the edges using the feathering tool. And when you are done, come and click on this check icon here to go back. Then you go to Splice, so let's tap on it. And we are going to use the overlay. So tap on Overlay. Then, as you can see, this shiny effect has been created on our icon, and we are going to use Keyframe to create some animation. So what you need to do is to go back to Mask, then move your mask all the way to the right, and make sure it doesn't appear on the icon. Then, when you're done, you move to the start of your footage. Then you come and tap on this diamond icon, which is the keyframe icon. So you tap on it to add your first keyframe. Then you move it to where you want the animation to stop. Then you move your marks all the way to the right. And CapCut will automatically add a keyframe at that position for you. And this will create this amazing effects on your icon. So to make your animation even better, we are going to use keyframe graphs. So let's go to Mask again. Then come and tap on this particular icon just beside the keyframe icon. Then you'll have a lot of keyframe graphs here that you can use, so you can use anyone that you want. But I am going to use cubic outs for this tutorial, so just tap on it and let's go back. So this is how you can create this amazing shiny icon effect using the mirror mask. So let's move to the next tutorial. So our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a spotlight effect using mask in CapCut Mobile. So I'm going to use this particular video for this tutorial, so I'm going to add it to the timeline. So what you need to do is to select your video, then we have to go to Mask. Then you're going to select the circle mask. So now we have to adjust our mask so that the character will be in that space. And what we need to do is to add some feathering to blur out the edges. And as you can see, for this particular tutorial, we used a circle mask to create this amazing spotlight effect. So let's move to the next tutorial. So our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a rounded corner around your videos using mask in CapCut Mobile. So first, let's import a video to the timeline. So I'm going to use this video. Then what you need to do next is to tap on the video. Then go to Mask. So let's tap on Mask. And for this tutorial, we are going to use the rectangular mask. So let's tap on the rectangular mask. And what you need to do is to just adjust your mask and make sure you leave a little bit of space at the edge of the mask. And now when you're done, come and tap on the rectangle mask here. Then go to Round Corners. And now we are going to use this slider to create the round corners around our rectangle mask. Just slide it to the right and stop at where you want your round corners to be at. So I'm going to leave mine at 30. So as you can see, our rounded corners has been created. And also, you can change the background of your footage. So all you need to do is to go to Background, then select Color. And you can choose any color as the background. And I'm going to use white for this particular tutorial. So this is how you can use the rectangle mask to create this amazing round corners. So let's move to the next tutorial. So our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing transition using the star mask and the heart mask. So import two footages onto the timeline. And what you need to do is to make one as an overlay. So you have to select the one you want to use as the overlay footage. So I'm going to select the second one. Then go to Overlay. So tap on Overlay, then position it right under your main footage. Then what you need to do is to select the overlay footage, then go to Mask and select the heart mask. And you can choose either the heart mask or the star mask because we are going to use it to create the same effect. I'm going to select the heart mask for this tutorial. Then go to the beginning of the video. Then resize your marks, so make it very small, just like this. So make sure it doesn't show on your video. Then move to where you want the transition to start. And I want the transition to start around here. Then you come and tap on the keyframe icon here. Then go to where you want the transition to stop. So I want it to stop around here. Then open up your mask to fill out the screen to reveal your video. So this is the transition that we've created using the heart mask, and also you can use the star mask to create this same transition. And also CapCut mask comes with an amazing feature that will blow your mind. So let me show you this feature, which always comes in handy when using mask in CapCut Mobile. So first let's go to Mask. And this feature I'm talking about is the Invert tool. And this is the Invert tool. And if you want to reverse your mask, you can use this tool and your footage will switch positions. So this is how you can use the masking feature in CapCut Mobile to create amazing effects in your videos. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also leave a comment in the comment box. See you in the next tutorial.